Hello everyone, this is a weekly market forecast for the week of May 18th. And if you have been following me in my YouTube channel, every day I just look at the chart to analyze and give you the short-term price direction for my members in our live trading room to make some extra daily income and long-term direction for a swing trade with a bigger profit potential. Every day, if you look at the CNBC or Yahoo News, with a tons of bad news out there, the record unemployment, the record fast spending, the record market crash in history, and this can be a fast test of recovery also. The market will do whatever it wants to do, and it has nothing to do with the economic news out there. As a trader, we just focus on the chart. The price on the chart will tell you everything. If the market is in the uptrend, we will stay in the uptrend until it reverses to the downtrend, then we will short the market. If you learn how to understand and read the price chart, and use modern technical analysis and understand the crowd psychology as well as human emotion, you will be understand the market clearly compared to whom out there don't know and yet rely on the bad news or someone else to manage their own money or try to gamble by themselves. The market now is more volatile than before. This is the right time for you to wake up and learn. This is the only survival skill that you should have so you can manage your own financial future like your own 401k and IRA account so that you can have something left when you retire and no longer working. Right now, look at the chart on the left side at the Spider SP 500 ETF SPY. As you can see that the market last week after they break a neckline and people talking about the head and shoulder pattern. And a lot of people they jump in, they short the market too fast. The institution they know that. So they like I said on the last week video, the market will come back and retest the neckline, and which they did. Okay, in this will continue to go down, they come back and they test the neckline. So right now on the right side, if you look at the chart of the E-mini SB 500 future, this is June contract, you can see that in the last couple of days, the market is trying to come back, and then they have been trying to beat the neckline right here 3 times. And today the market opened, and then they touch the line again. So this week it will be very important for the market to give it more clear direction. Either they break out or they break down. But the momentum right now is still in the uptrend. So we still continue to stick with the uptrend. But we have to monitor and watch out for the 2876 level right here. And if you look at YM, the YM, which is the Dow is to try to push it back up. They have a major resistance waiting for them at the 23,796 right now. Let's see how far they can go. They need to test the upper Dow trend line also. The Nasdaq is a little bit stronger. They try to push it back up, but again, they will have to test the major resistance at 9,200. And the Russell 2000 is try to get back there, and they have a major resistance waiting for them at this level also. The goal is try to get the momentum in the upside. They have been tested. The sell zone one, they fail, but right now they try to go back up. They already break a downtrend line. They get out from the triangle. The momentum it getting stronger, and then they try to break out the sell zone, and probably they try to get up to 1788 or 1800 level very soon. And the next one is oil. Oil is also gain momentum because after some of the business allowed to open back, so the oil demand it continue to go higher. So the retail sector is trying to gain the momentum also in the upside. So the oil is trying to finish the final leg move up here on the upside. So the oil is still doing well for next week, and the euro is also traveling back and forward between the parallel channel here. So right now, as you can see here, they are stuck in this triangle here. So they will give you the clear direction. They will go back and forward here before they break up or going down. Okay. And for bond it have been traveling around between this parallel channel here. So they go nowhere. So right now, in the short term, bond is still bearish. So that decided they can help the market to move up if they continue to go lower. So right now, the Bitcoin it try to break out at the downtrend line. They try to retest the sell zone, and probably they try to move one more leg up to test the 10,000 mark, which they did it in May 7. Okay, so right now this week you should looking for the strong stock in the strong sector like biotech, retail, healthcare, internet, technology, and the precious metal, and avoid trading the weak sector like the real estate, financial bank, and the transportation. So a couple of stock, like um, precious metal like FNV, very strong. They to try to finish the move in the upside, and okay, okay, Adobe, okay, computer sector is still very strong. They try to get up there to test the previous high, and another one, I give it to you guys so that you can see. It's another one that they have a potential to go up and test the upper resistance in February. So this is a couple of stuff that I just highlight so that you can take a look and then talk to your financial advisor to see it's a good place to trade. All right. So this is all I have for you. If you like what I'm doing here every week for you to do the weekly market forecast, please give me a thumb up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So every week I will update uh, the the weekly market forecast, and during the week I also update the market for you so that you know where the market is heading to. If you are a day trader as well as a swing trader. And if you want to learn more how to understand the chart, how to read the chart, please check out our website at stocknavigators.com for more information. Again, thank you very much for your watching. I hope you stay good and stay safe and healthy. And I will see you in the next video.